Hello again. Here we have a transformation, and so we need to follow our success criteria over here on the left to help us be successful through these processes on the right. Okay? So one, on our success criteria, it says draw a picture if you don't have one. Well, we have a picture. And then it says draw an arrow from the top, from the original image to the transformation. Looking at my image here, we have P and P prime, R and R prime, Q and Q prime. The prime tells me that this is the new one. So I'm going to go over here and insert an arrow. Now, you know Mr. Heisen, he likes his arrows thick. So I'll make mine a little thicker. I'll make it orange. And then over here, the next step says, how did it change? Well, clearly it didn't change size. It didn't change location, or it did change location. How would that's not a dilation. That has to be a reflection because it's flipping over the x-axis, which is our first question here. So how did it change? Right here, I would type, it flipped. So is that a translation, a dilation, or a reflection? That FL in reflection tells me that this is a reflection. All right. Oh, that got formatted funky. I apologize for that, ladies and gents. Let's go ahead and scoot that down. So P is located at 2, 5. With parentheses, is the correct format. And P prime is located at 2, -5. Q is located at 6, 2. And Q prime is located at 6, -2. So I'm reflecting over the x-axis. Notice that my x's stayed the same, but my y's became became negative. In that case, that means my x and y did what? I don't remember. What can I use? Oh yeah, my anchor chart from slide 2. A reflection over the x-axis keeps x the same, and the y becomes opposite. So algebraically, what just happened was, if it'll let me, sorry. Doesn't look like it's going to let me type, ladies and gents. But algebraically, what happened here was that the x and the y, the x stayed the same, and the y became opposite. So x and opposite y. And that makes sense because 2 and 6 are the x's, and they remain 2 and 6 until the prime. But the 5 and 2 became opposite of what they were.